Aleda Vaughn, Welding Technology Instructor and Department Chair at Sierra College.
So, what's one piece of advice you would give for students on their first interview?
So many people, when they're interviewing, they're looking at what can this job do for me? And when I'm interviewing, I'm looking at what I can do for the employer. And so the sales pitch is not how good I am and what I can do. The sales pitch is, what do my skills have to offer your company? And that's a little bit different of a twist. So if you can get the employer or potential employer, that hiring manager, to talk long enough to tell you what his or her concerns are and what's important to him or her on a shop floor, and this is for any interview, then you can figure out where your skill sets and your aptitudes are going to help solve that hiring manager's problems. And then if you convey that succinctly and concisely, you've got yourself a job. I go in for an interview and I sell them on how good I'm going to be, how I can help them out, my organizational skills, I'm willing to learn, yada yada. This is all based on what the manager told me was important to him on a 15-minute tour of the shop, right? So I get done selling him on how I'm going to benefit, my presence will benefit his company. And then I sum it up with, schooling is very important to me. I'm still going to school. I would like for you to allow me to continue my schooling in welding, which is going to benefit you in these ways because it's a welding job.
Right.
I understand that I'm asking you to make an exception for me. As a result, I promise that I will be an exceptional employee for you. Try it on for 30 days. If you disagree, I know state of California rules, not a problem. I won't throw a fuss. You can let me go. But give me a shot for 30 days to prove to you how much of an exceptional employee I'm going to be for you.
So, at the end of the day, all the jobs that you've done, how many employers let you go after 30 days?
0. And everybody that I've ever worked for has said that I was hands down the best hire they ever made.
This is Real Talk, people. This is some good nuggets. You better take it. Sierra College, folks. This program is growing exponentially.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
All
Absolutely.
due to this lady right here. You better come to school.
It's a team effort, though.
Yeah.
Really, it's a team effort.
Absolutely. You get more than the education here. Life lessons, folks.
Oh, absolutely.